Ever pondered the idea of crafting your own DIY face masks? Creating your own masks can be an engaging and cost-effective way to enhance your skincare routine. Today, we'll explore how to make a simple DIY face mask, and even delve into a few recipe ideas for different skin concerns. First, let's discuss the basic DIY face mask recipe. You'll need a tablespoon of your chosen base, which could be yogurt, honey, or mashed avocado. Additionally, you'll need a teaspoon of your chosen additive, such as oatmeal, turmeric, or lemon juice. To start, ensure you have a clean face. Then, in a small bowl, combine your chosen base and additive. Stir until you achieve a smooth paste. Next, apply this mixture evenly to your face, making sure to steer clear of the eye area. Now, take a moment to relax and let the mask sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to tailor your mask to your skin's specific needs. Here are a few DIY face mask ideas. For a hydrating mask, use a base of Greek yogurt with honey as an additive. To create an exfoliating mask, a base of plain yogurt and ground oats as your additive will do the trick. For a brightening mask, mashed papaya as a base and lemon juice as an additive will work wonders. To soothe your skin, consider an aloe vera gel base with cucumber puree as an additive. To combat acne, use bentonite clay as a base and a drop or two of tea tree oil as an additive. For an anti-inflammatory mask, plain yogurt with a sparing amount of turmeric as an additive can be beneficial. Lastly, for an anti-aging mask, mashed avocado and raw honey make a nourishing combination. When creating DIY face masks, it's important to be mindful of any allergies or skin sensitivities you may have. It's advisable to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions to the ingredients. Also, consider using organic and natural ingredients for the best results. So there you have it, a fun, affordable, and effective way to take control of your skincare routine. Now it's time to get creative and start mixing.